So, there are 8 keys, main ones, starting with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then A again. There's also the black keys, which are just the white key and then a sharp, or the white key above and a flat. Doesn't matter. So those are the basic keys. Then you have chords, which are basically C, G, yeah, so there's a whole circle fifth thing that allows you to see which key in a scale is sharped or flatted. Fairly basic stuff. So, now I will show you how to represent a key on the paper. Now then, there are 2 types of steps. The treble step and the bass clef. You play this one on your right hand, this one on your left. Together they're called the grand staff. There are 5 lines and 4 spaces. The 4 spaces are F-A-C-E going up. They spell face to help you memorize them. The 5 lines spell out every good boy does fine. E.g. Then you can think of dog, the G for the spaces up here. If there is an additional line with a note on top, it's called a ledger line. Essentially, you just keep counting up keys. Same thing could be on the bottom. For the bass clef, you can think of fib for the outside spaces, FB, and then for the lines, it's good boys do fine always. If you remember that, just remember first letters represent the keys. And then it's all cows eat grass for the spaces. Now for the different types of the notes. You have the whole note, which is just a circle. And the whole rest, then you have the whole rest, which is a black hole-shaped thing on the bottom that hangs over the bottom of the 4th line. These represent 4 beats or an entire measure. You can then have the half note, which is a line, which is a circle with a line coming up or down if it's on the upper half of the staff. They represent 2 beats. If you fill in the hole and make it black, the quarter note, 1 beat. The rest is a squiggly line. Then you keep doubling the number by adding more squiggly lines on the top. Same thing with the rest. except with little curves and dots. The next thing is the meters. The time signatures are as follows. The top number represents how many beats are in that measure. The bottom number represents what type of note gets a single beat. For the key signatures, this is the full order. Circle fifths, you can always remember what key has how many sharps or flats by memorizing or looking at this picture. Some odd notes would be the triplets. It's 3 notes tied together with a 3 on the top. Essentially, they equal 1 beat, but there's 3 of them, which gives them a very odd pattern. So, just to get used to it, all you really need to do is practice reading notes based on that information. I do hope you enjoyed this basic tutorial video. Sorry it's so short. I don't really know what to have in it because it's very ambiguous. And there you have it for the basics. Adios!